96% of car owners are quietly bleeding money on problems they could fix in their driveway for pocket change. One hidden trick alone stops damage that sends detailers and mechanics straight to the bank every single day. They'll never hand you these secrets because once you know them, you stop needing their services. Before you drop another dollar at a shop, here are 17 genius car hacks that will genuinely save you thousands. Hack number 17, Baby Oil Dashboard Shine Restoration. That faded, chalky, sun-baked dashboard that makes your whole interior look 10 years older, it doesn't have to stay that way. Grab a bottle of plain baby oil and a microfiber cloth. Put just a few drops on the cloth and wipe it across your dashboard and all the plastic trim in smooth, even strokes. Then buff off any excess with a dry cloth. The oil sinks into the dried-out plastic, restores lost moisture and brings back a clean, natural factory shine without the greasy film you get from those overhyped interior dressings. In 5 minutes your cabin looks showroom fresh again. A $3 bottle treats your entire interior dozens of times. Most store-bought dressings are basically scented mineral oil in fancy packaging. You're getting the same result without the markup. Dealers charge big money for this exact effect because they know most people have no idea how simple it really is. Hack number 16, Vaseline Side Mirror Water Repellent. Nothing's more dangerous than side mirrors that fog up or bead water in heavy rain, cutting your visibility right when you need it most. Here's the fix that costs almost nothing. Rub a thin layer of Vaseline across both mirrors with your finger, then buff it down with a microfiber cloth until the glass looks clear. The petroleum jelly forms an invisible hydrophobic barrier. Rain beads up and flies off instead of sticking and distorting your view. You stay safer and more confident in bad weather. One $4 jar lasts hundreds of applications. Hydrophobic sprays do the exact same thing at 10 times the price. This trick also works beautifully on headlights, keeping water from distorting your beams on wet nights. That's why specialty products are marked up so aggressively. The solution has been sitting in your medicine cabinet the whole time. Hack number 15, Baking Soda and Vinegar Tire Restoration. Brown, grimy tire sidewalls drag down the whole look of your car even after a fresh wash. Mix baking soda with white vinegar into a paste, scrub it onto the sidewalls with a stiff brush, let it fizz for a couple minutes, then rinse clean. That fizzing reaction lifts oxidation, brake dust, and embedded road film like nothing else. Your tires snap back to a deep, rich black, total cost for all 4 tires, under $3. After rinsing and drying, finish with a light coat of Vaseline for a long-lasting showroom shine. Professional detailers use similar mild abrasive chemistry but charge triple digits. You just did it with pantry staples in your driveway. Hack number 14, Silica Gel Packet Moisture Absorber. That persistent musty smell that returns after every rain or humid day, it's hidden moisture doing damage. Save those little silica gel packets from shoe boxes, electronics, and supplements. Toss 8 to 10 of them under the seats. They quietly pull moisture out of the air, killing mold growth at the source and keeping your cabin fresh. Reactivate them every few months by drying in a low oven. You've been throwing away free humidity control this whole time. Commercial absorbers use the exact same technology in bigger packaging. Free packets also protect electronics, fight rust, and extend the life of leather and fabrics. Stop tossing them and start using them. Hack number 15, Steam Cleaning Car Interior Restoration. Vacuuming and sprays only scratch the surface. A cheap handheld fabric steamer, $25 to $30, changes everything. Run the steam slowly over seats, carpets, door panels, and headliner. It penetrates deep, kills bacteria, lifts embedded dirt, dissolves stains, and neutralizes odors without harsh chemicals. Blot with a microfiber cloth afterward. Your interior doesn't just look cleaner, it actually is sanitized. That one-time purchase pays for itself after a single deep clean compared to shop prices. Pros use Steam too, you're just buying their tool instead of paying them to use it on your car. It also works wonders in the engine bay and door jams. Before we keep going with more hidden gems, if you're learning something useful here, smash that like button. It helps us keep bringing you the secrets shops don't want you knowing. Hack number 12, Grease on Battery Terminal Corrosion Fix. Slow starts and flaky electronics often trace back to corroded battery terminals. Disconnect the cables, clean the white or blue buildup with baking soda and water, rinse and dry, then coat both terminals and posts with a thin layer of petroleum grease or Vaseline before reconnecting. The grease blocks moisture and stops the oxidation reaction cold. Your electrical system stays strong and your battery lasts longer because resistance stays low. A $3 tube protects terminals for years. Mechanics turn this 5-minute job into a profitable service call. You just eliminated the root cause with something you probably already own. Hack number 11, Vaseline Interior Scuff Mark Eraser. Scuffs and light scratches on door panels and plastic trim make any car look worn out. Dab a little Vaseline on the marks, rub in circles, and buff clean. The jelly fills microabrasions and restores uniform shine. Most interior scuffs are surface level. Filling those tiny grooves makes them disappear. Regular treatment also blocks UV damage so plastic stays flexible instead of brittle. $4.60 beats $100 interior restoration every time. Hack number 10, Clay Bar Windshield Clarity Restoration. That hazy film on your windshield that no glass cleaner touches, it's embedded contamination. Grab a clay bar kit for $10 to $15, mist the glass with water and glide the clay in overlapping passes. It pulls out industrial fallout and microscopic debris that wipes can't reach. Night driving improves instantly and glare drops dramatically. The same kit decontaminates your whole car. Clean glass also lets rain-repellent products bond properly so everything else works better afterward. This is the step detailers quietly skip when selling you polish services. Hack number 9, extend your car's key fob range. Weak key fob signal driving you crazy? Hold the fob against your chin, mouth slightly open. When pressing the button, your head acts as a natural antenna and boosts range. In cold weather, warm the fob briefly with a lighter flame for a few seconds to wake up the battery. If it helps, a $3 replacement battery fixes it permanently. Dealers love charging for programming issues that are usually just a cold or dead battery. Hack number 8, shoe polish exterior trim restoration. Faded gray plastic trim and rubber molding age your car overnight. Black shoe polish from the dollar store, $2 to $3, restores deep color in minutes. Apply, let it set, buff off. The pigments penetrate and the built-in UV protection slows future fading. It also revives rubber seals, restoring flexibility and preventing leaks. Auto store trim restorers are basically the same idea in expensive packaging. One tin does multiple cars. Hack number 7, Lysol Outside Air Vent Odor Eliminator. Musty AC smell that returns no matter what you spray? Start the car, crank the AC on full, and spray Lysol disinfectant straight into the exterior fresh air intake vents at the base of the windshield for a few seconds. Let it run another 5 minutes. The system pulls the disinfectant through the evaporator coil where mold actually grows. You kill the source instead of masking symptoms. $5 in 10 minutes beats expensive shop treatments. Repeat every few months to stay ahead of it. Hack number 6, fuel filler cap soap cleaning trick. Dirt and residue on your gas cap and seal is a sneaky check engine light trigger most people miss. Every fill-up, wipe the cap and rubber seal thoroughly with soapy water or a wet wipe, then dry it completely. A clean, properly sealing cap keeps the fuel system pressure stable, prevents vapor leaks, and stops that gasoline smell. 30 seconds of prevention beats another diagnostic bill. Hack number 5, WD-40 license plate rust prevention. Rusted, seized license plate bolts turn a simple sticker swap into a nightmare. Spray WD-40 on the bolts and plate area, let it penetrate, then wipe excess. Reapply every 6 months. It displaces moisture and keeps threads free. Your plate stays clean and removable for life. One can protect every bolt on the car. Mechanics make easy money on seized fasteners that are completely preventable. This next one protects your interior from serious summer damage. Hack number 4, umbrella windshield sun protector. Parking in blazing sun cooks your dash and fades upholstery. A cheap reflective emergency umbrella or basic sun shade under $12 wedged across the windshield reflects heat and UV rays away. Your cabin stays dramatically cooler, cracking and fatting slow down, and the AC doesn't have to work as hard. Universal options perform almost identically to expensive custom shades. Simple physics beats fancy branding. Hack number 3, engine air filter replacement hack. Sluggish performance and dropping fuel economy, your air filter is probably choked. Look up the location 30 seconds on YouTube, pop the clips or bolts on the housing, swap the old filter for a new $15 to $25 one and close it up. 5 minutes, no tools. A clean filter can improve economy by up to 10%. Mechanics love this upsell because customers assume it's complicated. It's designed to be owner serviceable. Hack number 2, Coca-Cola tire shine restoration. Dull, brown tires that lose their shine fast? Pour regular Coca-Cola on the sidewalls, let the phosphoric acid work for a couple minutes, scrub, rinse, dry, then apply a thin Vaseline coat. You get deep, natural-looking gloss that lasts longer and doesn't sling onto wheels like sprays do. Total cost under $3. The soda targets oxidation the same way premium cleaners do, except this one comes from the grocery aisle. Hack number 1, shaving foam car seat deep clean. Stained, smelly seats that embarrass you every time someone climbs in? Spray plain white shaving foam, not gel, generously on the fabric, work it in with a brush, let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry. The surfactant foam lifts oil, sweat, food stains, and grime from deep in the fibers. Seats come out refreshed and deodorized. One $2 can cleans multiple vehicles and works on carpets, door panels, and headliners too. Professional upholstery foam is basically the same product with a luxury label. How many of these were brand new to you? Drop a comment and tell me which hack surprised you most. I read every single one. If this just saved you serious money on detailing and repairs, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We're exposing more industry secrets in the next video that could keep your car looking and running like new for years. Click the one popping up right now. You're going to wish you known these sooner. Your car and your wallet will thank you. See you in the next one.